This is about financial power of attorney, and the text is saying that there are 4 siblings that all have power of attorney. What I'm gathering is they're saying that these were established at different times.
Okay.
So there were 2 that were set up a couple years ago, 1 a year ago, and then another about 2 months ago. So there's 4 siblings.
All right.
And the question for you, Tom, is who has power of attorney?
Okay, great question, because let's start with this. When we do a power of attorney, a new power of attorney, within the first couple of paragraphs, it states that I hereby revoke any and all prior powers of attorney. So if that language is in the most recent one, then all the other powers of attorney are no longer valid. But you don't have to have that language in there revoking all previous powers of attorney. So you could have 4 different powers of attorney out there as long as they're not revoking each other. Now, I know it's confusing, and if this is what Dad really wants to have, I got 4 kids, and I want them all to have a power of attorney, my recommendation is that Dad would redo a new power of attorney, have 1 power of attorney document, where in that 1 power of attorney document, he names all 4 kids, and when he names all 4 kids, he would have 2 choices. One would be it takes all 4 signatures to transact business, or the other choice would be that any one of them alone unilaterally can transact business with just their 1 signature. So what they have may be working for them, but it's not the best way to handle it. And I would recommend that Dad might see an attorney and have those powers of attorney redone.
Exactly. And of course, the starting point would be reading those power of attorneys, because exactly like you said, Tom, it gives individual powers on certain things to each one of them, or it's possible that they're not realizing that they have revoked previous ones. So it could be that it ends up that only one is actually in charge right now.
That's right. So if this texter wants to know the answer to his particular question in this situation, what you got to do is you got to look at the most recent power of attorney and look and see within the first few paragraphs, is there language that says, I hereby revoke any and all previous powers of attorney that I signed.